Grand Cherokee, guys. Still going. Still going. These trees are really tall here. That's that hickory tree. I don't know if it's that big tall one or that little one sticking out under. Could be either one. It's probably that tall one. I hate to have one of them fall on my head. But, yeah, guys, my friend's getting the eyes checked. So that's why I'm here. Figure I'd just do a little video. But I saw something down there. Dead trees, wow. And there's that transformer, that pole over there. They should have that looked into. That could cause a problem. Seeing a lot of berries on the ground here. It must be from that tree up there. It'd be really hard to get to. Be nice to pull into some spot and see some pears or some apples, some peaches or something you could eat, you know. And I'm always looking whenever I park somewhere for something I could eat, you know, for free. But I mean, these townships, they got this buckled up. There's really nothing you could eat except some hickory nuts and whatever those other crab apple things were, but there's no good fruit around. And I think that's really bad because, you know, you don't see no grapes, you don't see anything. There should always be some food around. But there's nothing, guys. I've checked around. I haven't seen nothing except the hickory nuts I could be eating right now, but I don't eat hickory nuts, so. Got some hay fever right here where you go to get your glasses done. Goldenrod. That'll get your sinuses going, guys. The ladybugs on there really like it. Heard something, maybe a branch fall back in there, but lots of goldenrod.
I don't come back till March.
March?
Yeah, it's 6 months.
I'm
gonna say now. That's my new prescription. My prescription did change.
What changed?
He said, when I said my husband wants to fix my floaters. He got really sarcastic. You can't fix floaters.
Your doctor said you can't fix floaters.
No.
Yeah.
I said my husband watches videos, you know. I said, you don't even know you have floaters. You sat out here over an hour, didn't you?
If you look at a white piece of paper, you can see your floaters if it's really bad. I don't see nothing personally.
You never get your eyes done. You might not have floaters, but I do. He said it's a good. He said it's good that you got that laser and that doctor noticed floaters. With floaters, you could go blind. I mean, he said it's good that I got the laser done.
I saw you improve with laser surgery.
No, my eyes, they're not any worse.
They're not any worse. Are they any better? That's what I want to know.
Well, my prescription's changed.
Well, is the prescription...
They're going to open up next month.
Is the prescription reducing the glasses, the prescription? So I see some minus here.
I don't know. I don't
Minus 125.
I don't understand that at all. I don't understand that at all. I'm not going for that.
Then it says add to.
She tried, let me talk. She tried talking to me with glasses there, and I would get reimbursed whatever I pay. I said, I want to go to America's Best because they cover my vision.
You see where it says plus add, plus 2%.
Yeah, they take my
add 2. On the other eye, add 2.25. Now the reason they put add they want to make your glasses a little bit stronger each time, and that's going to damage your
There's a
eyes.
Progressive over there. They start at $2.99 at the eye doctor. I said,
Guy's
you know
always
what
walking
happened
the
when I
dog.
paid over $500 with the tinting and the expensive
Yes.
Progressive? I got fired from my job a few weeks later after I took all that money out of my pocket.
So anyway, it says eyes. Over here in this one eye it says Plano, Plano. You know, plain. It's okay. It's normal. That means Plano is. It's plain. It's a. No, you're not gonna add to it or take away from it. Here's the other eye. It says minus 1.75. So what do? They minus 2.25. So when you go in for your next visit, your eyes are going to be even worse shaped than they are right now.
No, they're not.
Shut the windows, please. A little bit. A little bit. The paper's going to fly.
Yeah, you put it somewhere where it's not going to fly away.
So now if you go back to what I was talking about before with the juicing, you're going to get a minus 175 or 2.25.
He just wanted to check for pressure. He put drops in, but they were just a check. But he checked my vision. He had me read the chart. That's how he found out, you know.
I know, yeah, they're going to check your vision. Did a lady come see you first?
Katie, she was just asking me questions.
Okay, yeah.
And
So
she took my
the lady
glasses.
that asks questions is also going to get paid.
And then I had to go in there and she asked me a bunch of the regular questions she normally does. And then I had to wait for the doctor. I know the procedure. I don't understand that at all.
No, I'm just saying that she's got to get paid and the doctor got to get paid.
She's been with this doctor for 10 years now.
And that increases your bill instead of the doctor just taking care of everything.
Oh, you want to know something? The girl at the desk, said, oh, you have an appointment, yada, yada, yada. I see here you have a balance of $32. I said, you know what? I'm not paying that because I got that same bill in the mail and I mailed it already.
So anyway, guys, here's the thing. If you can, take your glasses off and start juicing and juicing and juicing. I know you're going to have to wear your glasses at times, but you don't have to wear them all the time when you're at home. Unless you really can't see and your eyes are really messed
I'm
up.
nearsighted, honey. I'm nearsighted.
But you're going to want to... The green juicing has made blind people start to see again. That's how powerful it is. Instead of paying these doctors thousands of dollars, once you start getting into surgeries, and then they're going to want to tell you you got floaters. Then after the floaters, they're going to tell you you got glaucoma. And they're going to want to do surgery on both your eyes. Because one eye tries to equal the other eye. So you can see. And if we have one good eye, that eye might go bad to equal the other eye. You don't know what's going to happen. There's a balance, and you need the right ingredients in your body to make that start to see better with the green juices, okay? And then you can even get up higher with that, with the vitamin D, K, and high doses of vitamin C. Take care of your eyes, start juicing, stop eating meat, stop eating junk food and processed foods. Your eyes will start to improve. It's going to take a little bit of time because the damage is already done. But once you start to see better, start doubling down what you're taking. You know, start living off the green juices. Your eyes are going to get so much better, to almost 100% better.